Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to block a contact on WhatsApp. Maybe you keep on receiving unwanted messages from someone and you want to restrict that person from contacting you. So today I'm going to show you how to block a contact on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the contact which you want to block. Now, tap on the contact's name to open the chat with that person. Once the chat is open, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, tap on this More option. Now, to block this contact, simply tap on this Block option. You will then see a prompt asking if you want to block the contact. Here, WhatsApp will display a message informing you about the consequences of blocking a contact, such as not being able to receive messages or calls from that person. Now, simply tap on block to confirm your decision. Once you have blocked the contact, they will no longer be able to send you messages or call you on the application. They will also not be able to see your online status or profile picture. There you go. If you wanted to know how to block a contact on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to block a contact on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.